Well, we went and had a rake made for our excavator. Super excited to try this out. I just got it chained on with chain and binder. We'll go out here in the field, and we just got done clearing. We cleared about maybe an acre and a half, cleared a driveway. We got a big pile burning. Now we're just going to rake everything up, clean it up, make it look good. But we're super excited to try this and see how it works, see what we can change about it, if we need to change anything. But we'll see how it goes.